Namaskar, I am Dr. Ankit Parakh and I am a consultant or specialist in allergy and respiratory problems in children. I work at Children's Chest Clinic at New Delhi. So, in this educational video, we'll be talking about a common condition in children which is called as urticaria. So, we'll be discussing about what is urticaria, how urticaria manifests, what are the signs and symptoms of urticaria in children, how do we diagnose it, what investigations are usually required, and how do we treat urticaria in brief. So what is urticaria? So urticaria is basically a reaction on the skin where you will find that on certain parts of the skin there would be some bumpy areas, some raised areas. So for example, on this part of the skin you will find that this area becomes bumpy, and around the bumpy area you will find that there is a lot of erythema or redness. So these areas are called as hives, and these hives can be at multiple areas in the body. They are classically very itchy and children will keep on scratching those areas. Now these hives will usually last for a few hours and usually will disappear from around 4 hours to 24 hours. But they can disappear at one place and they would reappear at some other place. And this cycle can actually go on. Now, why urticaria happens? Urticaria can be, in general, would be in response to viral infections, which can be viral gastroenteritis, which can be viral respiratory infections like a fever, cough, cold. Sometimes urticarias can be in response to medicines. So common medicines are NSAIDs like Brufen, they can be medicines like diclofenac, etc. Or it can be in response to antibiotics like penicillin group of antibiotics can lead to urticarias. Occasionally urticarias can be because of insect stings. In a lot of children we find that the cause of urticaria is not known and it is called as an idiopathic urticaria. Now what we need to see is that if this urticaria is usually less than 2 to 3 weeks, then it is usually managed with a small dose of antihistamine, and usually children do not require extensive workup or investigations. Now in some children this urticaria comes back again and again, and if it lasts beyond 6 weeks, then this urticaria is termed as a chronic urticaria. Now children with chronic urticaria might require some investigations to find out what is usually leading to the cause of urticaria. But in general, most children even with chronic urticaria do not have a specific reason or a cause. So most children with chronic urticarias, how do we treat them? So treatment of urticarias is basically related to giving antihistaminic or antihistamines regularly like cetirizine, levocetirizine, etc. And they are usually given for a long period. So for more information, you can log on to our website ankitparakh.com.